This is your Swing Alpha Trade Report for February 5th, 2018. The markets are in the red. We are in the middle of a very deep correction, possibly the worst correction in the last 2 years. Now, going to the markets here. First, let's look at VIX. VIX had a huge spike, approximately 100% or more spike in one single day. This is definitely panic going on right here. And in fact, if you're familiar with the ETN called XIV, XIV we believe has now ceased to exist. If you don't know what that is, you could just Google it up. But basically, XIV is now dead. Now going to the market SPY, we have a huge red down candle right here. And we haven't seen anything that deep since the August 2015 correction around here. So this is really, really big. It's really significant. However, the world's not going to end, and we're probably going to put in a bottom tomorrow. Today's definitely not the bottom. Tomorrow is more likely to be the bottom, especially if we have a gap down. If we have a gap down, we'll probably have panic selling, and that will mark a bottom. However, you do not want to just guess the bottom. You do not want to catch a falling knife. So just sit out and let it bottom out, and then when it bottoms out, we could start going long for the next run up. This is a normal correction. It's healthy. It's a great buying opportunity. You see similar price action in the Qs, QQQ. We possibly have a bottoming region right around here at 156. We'll just have to wait and see. Again, for IWM, IWM is definitely selling off a little more than the others. We have a bottoming region somewhere around 145-ish here as well. Now, we stopped out at 3 stocks today. First one was IPI. IPI, we had gone long on December 20th, which would be this red candle right here. And it went about halfway to our target, and then it just immediately sold off, and we stopped at the open today. So we took a 13.6% loss on IPI. We definitely don't want to just keep holding stocks if they're losing money. The next one is INAP. INAP, we had gone long on the 26th, just a few days ago. And it immediately started selling off as soon as the correction started picking up in speed. And so we stopped out quite quickly as well. We took a, 12.5% loss on INAP. We stopped out around halfway here. And then lastly, KTOS, which we also go long on the 26th. We go along right here on the 26th, but it immediately started selling off as well because of the correction. And then we stopped out more towards the end of the day, taking a smaller 7.6% loss. So right now we have a huge cash position, about 50% in cash. The rest is still in longs. If the market continues to sell off, we'll just dump more positions. Otherwise, we're going to be waiting for a long as soon as the market starts to bottom out. So the bottoming pattern can take possibly a few more days. It could take a week, maybe 3 or 4 weeks